My name is Daniel Hannan. I'm a Conservative member of the House of Lords, the International Ambassador for the Conservative Party, and, as the Governor says, a member of the Board of Trade, having previously been 21 years as a member of the European Parliament. It's a real pleasure to be here at the Governor's invitation. It's my first visit to Pakistan, and I found it an incredibly fruitful week. This is, of course, a very significant year. Pakistan is 75 this year. It's a good age. Difficult birth in some ways. Bloodshed, refugees, all sorts of problems. A lot of people would have said maybe the new state isn't going to survive and succeed. But here we are, having reached a good age of maturity, and I think, like all British people, I feel that we are invested in the success and prosperity of this country. We are old friends. We've been through a great deal together, and our relationship rests above all not on history, not on sentiment, but on the very living, real link of over 1 million Brits of Pakistani origin, some of whom, like the Governor, come and go and come again, but many of whom have become very successful and entrepreneurial members of our society. And we're all very proud to have them as fellow countrymen and as friends. And so that gives us a relationship that is unusual among two sovereign states. It gives us a sense of involvement in each other's affairs, which is very rare among two countries.